How to recover deleted SMS in Android. Recovering our deleted SMS on Android is fairly simple. Now in this case, we can launch the Google Messages app because Google Messages is the most commonly used Android messaging app in today's time. And what we'll do is, let me just try to delete a certain message. So I'll just long press on it. Then I'll just tap the trash icon to move this to trash. Now what I have done is, even if I have deleted the SMS, depending upon the phone you're using, you should have about 30 days at least to recover your messages. Even if you're using other messaging applications, most messaging app comes with a recycle bin or a trash feature. In the case of Google Messages, I can tap the profile icon from the top right hand side and I can go to the option called trash, and from trash I'll find that particular trash over here. That message which I have deleted, I can long press on it and I can tap on this restore button right here. This one right here is the trash icon to permanently disable it or delete it. But to restore it, we will tap on this toggle and that chat will be restored. And if we come back now, the chat will be there again. And this way we can basically recover deleted SMS in Android. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.